At SMI, we were selling over a decade eye tracking components to excimer laser companies, as well as registration technology to link other diagnostic products to their excimer lasers. We recognize that in a flat market, it's very hard to grow further if you have already most of the market. So we said, okay, we need to find a different market and apply our technology. And in 2007, we concentrated on the cataract market, seeing the success of all the advanced technology lenses. So we started thinking about bringing our technology in to link the cataract process together in one chain to make it a refractive cataract process. So we were the first one in ophthalmology that put a real-time application into the ocular. So you could feel like a jet pilot making your cataract surgery. You have your surgery plan, you can execute it through the oculars. For us, it was important to find a partner that can provide the whole process, because then the value of the technology we had was maximized. So we had to concentrate on partnerships where we want to establish links between our technology, other products, other microscope, other diagnostic devices, and there was only basically Alcon in the world where we could do it. With Varian in the cataract refractive suite, Alcon is the only one right now that can offer the whole process out of one hand. So we have imaging diagnostic device, we have a planning device, we have femtosecond laser, we have microscope, Centurion phaco machine. We can bring everything together with the Varian system and have one process to drive refractive outcome.
Wavefront aberrometry started in the late 1980s under President Reagan's Star Wars Defense Initiative, and they were using it in conjunction with high-energy laser weapon systems. In 2004, the team began thinking about other ways or other applications for the technology, and they explored the question with some of the key surgeons in the field. One of the surgeons they approached was Dr. Dan Dury, who had the suggestion, if you split the device in two, only measure one eye at a time, shrink it down in size, you could mount it on a microscope and use it intraoperatively during cataract surgery. And that's when the product took the form that it really has today. The team launched its first commercial product in June of 2008. It was called the Orange System. It was very well received by industry, but there were some bugs that still needed to be worked out. In August of 2010, Tom Frinzi became the CEO of WaveTech Vision Systems.
In traditional cataract surgery, being off by half a diopter to your target was acceptable because a patient didn't mind going home needing a pair of glasses. But in today's premium cataract surgery, where you're using advanced technology IOLs, that's no longer acceptable. So the organization really took on the challenge of saying, how do we make it better? And for a period of about 9 to 12 months, the R&D team ended up re-engineering 70% of the internal guts of the aberrometer, and at the same time, the commercial side of the organization re-looked at the business model, and we also felt it was appropriate to rebrand the technology, since we were walking away from Orange and coming to what we felt more exemplified the technology, which was the Aura system, OptiWave refractive analysis system. So we were able then to really reintroduce ourselves to the marketplace at the 2011 American Academy of Ophthalmology meeting. And I really realized at that meeting we were on to something, when our commercial success was such that we ended up selling 3 times the amount of systems that we thought we would. And it really began to catapult us to the next level. When you think about Varian and its ability to image, plan, and guide, and now adding the Aura system through intraoperative aberrometry, it really adds confidence to the surgeon that he or she is getting it right where it matters most, while the patient is still on the table. And that is a powerful combination that ultimately provides Alcon real differentiation in the marketplace.